Hi everybody. To those people asking for help in the Philippines, it's a lot of them. You guys just wait. Because there's a lot of people on front on you. I writing down in my book. Somebody need sponsor Wi-Fi, cell phone, or a roof in the house, or anything else, or a lot of them. I cannot give it all of you. I can't do it in one go. It's only much I can. I'm not owning the YouTube yet. I'm only the beginner. So you just gonna have to wait, everyone. But yesterday, I give away one person, a lucky one, a mobile or a cell phone. And also I give away, what do you call that in I know the ones in the Philippines, what do you call it here? It's like, I think they are I can't remember, sorry. Love you. Joke. Anyhow, thank you so much sa mga subscriber ko, thank you again. And again, I'm doing this so I can help a lot of people in the Philippines. It's not big, but something I can help them. So anybody there will subscribe me, please subscribe me. It's really hard when someone asking me, it's hurt here. When someone asking me for help that I can't do it, because so many of them, I wish I'm rich, so just like that I can give it to them, but I cannot do like this. Thank you.